I've been using AI coding assistants a lot lately. Claude Code and GitHub Copilot are my favorite. And they are incredible for scaffolding features and auto-completing code. But when you ask them to implement authentication, things can get a bit weird. They hallucinate APIs that don't exist, or write custom JOT validation when there is a perfectly good SDK sitting right there. But not all is lost. Here at Auth0, we've built something to fix this, the Auth0 Agent Skills. They add domain expertise that teaches your AI coding assistant how to implement Auth0 correctly. No reliance on scraped training data from a few years ago, so you have less hallucinations and you follow the current production-ready patterns. Let me show you. You can install the Auth0 Agent Skills by either running npx skills add auth0/agent skills from the command line, or if you are using Claude Code, you can just go over to your plugins and add the Auth0 Marketplace, and then you'll see two plugins here, the Auth0 Core Skills and the Auth0 SDK Skills. Core Skills handles things like quick starts, migrations, and MFA. SDK Skills has all the framework-specific implementations, like React, Next.js, Vue, Angular, and so on. You'll want to install them both. Now here's where it gets good. Once these skills are installed, your AI assistant actually knows Auth0. So for example, I can go to my Next.js app and just ask, add authentication to my Next.js app. And watch what happens. The AI detects the Next.js in my package.json, consults the Auth0 SDK's skills for Next.js for more information, and then it just goes to work. And it starts installing the right SDK, configuring the app router route for handlers, setting up environment variables, implementing protected routes with middleware, adding session management patterns. You get the idea, right? And look at the code it generates. This is production ready. It's already using the Auth0 Next.js SDK correctly, handling tokens securely through HTTP-only cookies, following all the Auth0 recommended patterns. So let me show you the difference that this makes. Before Agent Skills, you've asked the AI to add Auth to an app. You might get something like this. And this is all kinds of wrong. It's storing tokens in local storage. That's a cross-site scripting vulnerability waiting to happen. Then it does the manual JSON Web Token decoding and tries to reinvent the session management, creating that user object. And it's the kind of code that looks fine, but breaks in production, or worse, ships code full of security holes. Now, with Agent Skills installed, the same exact prompt, you get this instead. You start using the Auth0 Next.js SDK correctly, tokens are handled securely by the SDK, session management follows Auth0's recommended patterns, and the login flow implements PXE correctly if you're building an SPA. This is what production-ready authentication looks like. And this works with pretty much every framework you are probably already using, like Next.js that we just saw, but also React, Vue, Angular, Express, React Native, and so on. We've also got skills for migrations if you're coming from another auth provider, plus MFA patterns like step-up authentication and adaptive MFA. So what does that mean for you? Your AI ships correct auth code from the beginning. Your team uses consistent patterns, and everything is secure by default. These skills work with any AI assistant that supports the Agent Skills format. And if you want to know more, including what's coming next for the Auth0 Agent Skills, check out the blog post linked below. Also, let me know in the comments which frameworks are you using and would like to see supported in the Auth0 Agent Skills, if they aren't already. See you on the next one.